Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. So today I picked up the most recent Walmart Live Better. Spring is here. Well, not really where I live, but yes, spring is here supposedly. Magazine. And this is a free magazine that Walmart publishes. I live here in Ontario, so I'm not sure if it is Canada-wide. Comment down below and let us know if it is Canada-wide. So for all our friends who want to pick it up, they can look out for it. And the reason I love these, I mean, first of all, they have great recipes. They also tell us what type of fashion is available at Walmart, makeup. It's a great little magazine, but you know, I always look for coupons. So let's see if there's any good coupons in this magazine. And I know a lot of you like to see what is in the magazine, to see whether or not it is worthwhile for you to pick up. And unfortunately, a lot of us don't have access to a Walmart. So they do like to see what is available out there. And maybe you have friends or family who do have access and they can send you a magazine or two. But let's see if this magazine is worth our while. So this time around, it comes in a little plastic protector. And it is, if I hadn't mentioned, it is the Spring 2018 edition. And again, it is free. So let us open that up. First of all, right off the bat, it comes with a free sample. It is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Oil Body Lotion. And Palmer's is a fantastic brand. So it does come with a nice sample. So there's a couple of uses in there. And there you go. So if you have never tried this before, now's your opportunity to give it a try. So here's the magazine. Sorry about the glare. Let's see if we can make it a little bit without that glare there. So this is the front cover. You can see. So we're going to just do a quick flip through until we see something that catches our eye. So first off, they do have a save 50 cents. Oops, sorry about that. Save 50 cents on the purchase of one Act 2 3-pack microwave popcorn. And the expiry date on that is September 30th. So if you're a popcorn lover, here's your chance to save some coin. Here's a couple more coupons. These are the Food Saver. Save $20 on the Food Saver 2-in-1 food preservation system and save $5 on the Food Saver 3-piece fresh container bundle. Moving on. Here's another coupon. So save $1 on the purchase of one bag of Orville Redenbacher ready-to-eat popcorn. And it's restricted to 116 to 220 gram bag. Same expiry date, September 30th. And again, save $1. So if you're a movie lover like I am, these will certainly come in handy. Here are save $6 off your next purchase of Floristore 50 count or Floristore Max 30 count. And these are daily probiotic supplements, or save $4 off the next purchase of a 20 count. Here's another one. Buy 5, get 1 free of the Renews It Scent Swirls. And those tend to regularly go on sale. So again, you want to match the coupon to a sale price. This is a nice one. Save $3 when you buy any one Venus razor. Has an expiry date of June 30th, 2018. And it does exclude trial, travel size, or value, or gift bonus packs. So that's a nice coupon. This one's also a nice coupon. Save $1 when you buy any One Crest toothpaste. So this is a good coupon to share with you because if you look at the picture here, you may think, okay, well, that's one of the pricier Crest toothpaste, so I'm going to save $1, but it's still going to be on the higher end when it comes to the cost. But you're not looking necessarily at the picture, you're looking at the wording. It reads, when you buy any, again, the keyword is any, One Crest toothpaste. So you know how No Frills normally has them on sale for 97 cents. Sometimes Real Canadian Superstore has them for 88 cents. Well, you can use this coupon on those because, again, the keyword is any One Crest toothpaste. So yes, they show you that picture. I mean, they have to show you a picture of a Crest. There's thousands of Crest products. They can't put thousands of pictures. So look at the wording. So that's our little tip for today. The wording means everything. It does exclude trial or travel size, value gift bonus packs, and Crest cavity protection. So it excludes the cavity protection, which yes, that one goes on sale a lot, but there are others that also go on sale for 97 cents. You've seen me haul it before. So again, you're not limited to that expensive one. So that's just our tip for today. Again, you could pick up your own magazine and go through it. I'm right now, for the purpose of this video, is looking for coupons. Here is a save $15 on any Philips Sonicare Protective Clean toothbrush with an expiry date of June 30th. I have used these coupons in the past. A lot of times Walmart will put their Philips Sonicare on for $25, $30, and using this coupon, it could easily bring it down to $10 to $15 for this type of toothbrush, which is fantastic. I'm not sure if it was last or the year before. I used these coupons and bought them. I think it was for $10 and gifted them out. What a fantastic gift. Here are dental floss coupons by the Gum brand. This one expires March 31st of next year, so it's a great coupon. Save 75 cents when you buy a gum floss or gum flossers. And save $1 when you buy gum soft picks. And that brings us to the end of the magazine. So this was a quick flip through. Again, these magazines are found by the checkout counters, or when you walk into the store, they have little display areas, or when you walk out of the store, they have display areas as well. Well, they do at mine. So look out for those if you haven't picked up yours yet, because there are great coupons in here, and pick up one for you, pick up one for a friend. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the tip that we shared on this video today. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. And like always, thank you so much for spending your time here with me and for supporting my channel. And I love making videos for you guys because I love interacting, and the feedback that I'm getting is fantastic. So again, thank you for that. And we'll leave it at that. And like always, I will talk to you in my next video, and hopefully it'll be sooner than later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.